What's up, everybody? It's Joe from DNA Adventures right here in Painted Canyon Trail. I know we're airing out, so I'll let you guys check it out once we're all the way in there, all right? Alright, so this is the Painted Canyon Trail. So it's a hiking trail, guys. Not too much off-roading, but it's beautiful. Alright, so as I get more up there, I'll give you guys some more footage. Alright, check this out, guys.
Can I see?
Yeah, come on.
I can see.
Just a little cave. Alright. It's a little hard to walk on the sand.
That's so cool.
This one's easier.
Yeah. Is that one? What would you do if you found this?
On the what?
A tooth. Like on my island.
Wait.
The other ladder looks kind of sketchy though. That one, no?
Alright, guys, so we just came down the ladders. There's two of them. The other one's way back there. Crazy. Alright, everybody, so this is it. Painted Canyon Trail over here, passing a little bit past the Indio. So right now what I'm doing, I'm just airing up because yeah, it's all a dirt road, but it's pretty bumpy. It's a bumpy road. So yeah, I would recommend this hike for anybody. It's real nice. I mean, there's cars that are going up here, and it just leads you to the end, and then from there you just hike the whole mountain. It's real nice. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys like the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to it if you guys haven't subscribed yet. All right. Peace.